Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise grandma and a clever crow named Chiku. One sunny morning, Chiku hopped onto Grandma windowsill. "Good morning, Chiku." "What brings you here today?" asked Grandma with a warm smile. Chiku replied, "Grandma, I've heard you make the most delicious vadas in the village. Can you teach me how to make them?" Amused by the request, Grandma agreed. "Of course, Chiku. Cooking is an art, and I'll be happy to share my vada recipe with you." She started by explaining each step, and Chiku attentively listened. As they prepared the vadas together, Grandma shared stories of her youth, and Chiku shared tales of his adventures. The unlikely duo formed a special bond through the joy of cooking. Once the vadas were golden brown and crispy, Grandma Patel said, "Now, Chiku, the secret ingredient is love. Always cook with love, and your food will bring happiness to others." Chiku nodded appreciatively, and they enjoyed a delightful meal together. From that day on, Chiku visited Grandma regularly, not just for cooking lessons, but also to share the latest happenings in the village. Their friendship became legendary, and the aroma of Grandma Special Crow and Grandma Vadas filled the village, bringing everyone together. And so, the heartwarming tale of an unexpected friendship and the love-filled vadas became a cherished story in the village for generations to come.